do it pretty good to where I think I've done enough. Okay, I'm just going to do this section here, and then I'll go over and do that, okay? I don't have to go any further than this. You want to stay right like this, okay? Now I'm going to take my sponge. This is a tile sponge, and I'm just going to wipe this off, and let's see what we got here. It's starting to look good. See this right here? That's how I want it to look. Okay? See around the edges? I know I've got to brush a little harder there, like right here too. I can brush this a little harder now, like there. See how that's activating more of that glue there? I can take this, wipe that off. See how that's kind of toned it down? And if I want, I can put a little bit extra cleaner on there. I want to tone it down a little bit more. Right in there, I can. This floor is going to pick up lots of things once you do it this way. See, I was going to put that underlayment material right directly over the tiles and have a brand new concrete floor, but then I wouldn't pick up all this nice, lovely color. Okay? This is almost like putting a stain on your floor. And if you've looked at the stains at the stores, you'll see that will come in a kit. One light stain, one dark stain, and they make a recommendation of using 2 different colors. We've already got the dark stain on here, don't we? From that mastic, that nasty tar mastic, yeah. But in a sense, that nasty tar mastic is going to make our floors pop. Once I get done, I have to make a determination and see. I can go along the edge where that paint was, and I can let some of the paint come up. You know, this covers up those concrete marks, and I was thinking about patching those with that material, but then if I patch it with the underlayment I have, then I'm going to have to stain over that, or else it's going to show like a sore thumb. Now I can take my cleaner, and I can just do that and get most of that off the base. I mean, I could wait until the baseboard, until the floor dries, and then that's another step. I've got to clean that off with a sponge, and then some of my cleaner might get some back on the floor, and then I'm cleaning the floor again. You know? So I want to go around the edge a little bit more. I don't want it nice here in the middle and then have it dark down here. I want it all to blend in a little bit better. And so I've got to get it up against the wall a little bit better, I think. Let's keep going. Rub-a-dub-dub. When I get done, if I still see some lines from the carpet glue in certain areas, I may decide, hey, that was kind of cool. I'm going to leave that in certain places. Or if you like all the lines, you don't have to go over it as much as I'm going over it. You can decide what you want to do to your floor. Okay? I can rub and rub and rub on this for twice as long and get every single line out of this floor. But then I break some of the character of this floor that I want. Okay? Look at that. That's looking good. And I've got all this other stuff here. See, I can rinse that out in my bucket every once in a while, but I don't want to rinse this so clean, because then I take some of this nice stain off of here. This is like staining my floor right now, pretty much. Now I've got to make a determination once I get done with this floor whether or not I need to stain it at all. Maybe I just seal it. See? I may have just saved myself that stain in a gallon. Might be 50 bucks a gallon, I'm guessing. you go out to the hardware store, I'm still going to have to put sealer on it. Okay, take this, wipe that on there. Look at that. I guess I can clean some of that back off. And see, I've got some of the cleaner is dripping on the floor. Okay. And that actually has made nice looking droplets on this floor. I could do that throughout the whole floor. Let that dry, and I'd have a kind of a variegated type look on here. I'll get you up here a little bit closer if you can see that. And then, you know, I could do that, put a little bit of spray on there. Bigger drops were coming off my handle, so I can spray over there, and then the drops were dropping off of that. Okay. Now, if you like a variegated look with some droplets, you could leave it exactly like that, right there. Okay. If you don't like that, you can wipe it off. I think I'm gonna choose to wipe it off for now. But that actually looks nice. But you wipe it off, and that gives you more of a, I don't know, a leathery type look. See, this is the only area I've done right there. I really like this right here. Here's some nice modeling over there. That actually looks beautiful. What do you think?